Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Friday and 24th of April and today is the first day of Ramadan and happy Ramadan and Ramadan Kareem. Okay guys, today is a very happy day to everyone, especially to Muslim people around the world. And today I am really happy because of the month of Ramadan. Ramadan is a month that we should try to take fast and try to accomplish this obligation because this is a obligation from Allah. We should accomplish it. It's important to us. In this month we should try to help other people, especially poor people, and we should try to give their hands. We should try to help them. At least we should try to give them something that make them smile. At least we should do that. Okay, in month of Ramadan everyone is trying to take fast and try to do good deeds. In my idea, we should try to help poor people in this month because this month is an opportunity for us to clean ourselves from the sins that we did in 11 months before. Just we have 1 month for forgiveness of Allah. We should try to make happy Allah from us. As we know, every month the door of Allah is open, but this month is so special to Allah because of forgiveness. We should banging the door of Allah to forgive us. Okay, we are sinful and we should ask for forgiveness. Ramadan is a month for forgiveness, and we should share our meal to poor people, and we should pray together in Allah's door. This short video clip is just for a Ramadan special day, and I hope you accomplish this month with happiness and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.